Hello, in this video we will do class 10th maths NCRT chapter 2 real number exercise 1.5 question number 1 prove that root 5 is irrational. Okay, and the second is so that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. In previous video we will have done root 2 is irrational. Okay, so now the same procedure we will do here. There were root 2 and 2 is prime. Here is root 5 and 5 is prime. Okay, now follow these step which were we have done in previous video. Okay, so by using a contradiction method prove that root 2 root 5 is irrational. Here we say that let root 5 is rational, and after that using some steps and say that root 5 is never be a rational, and if never be a rational it means it is irrational. Okay, so prove that root 5 is irrational. So root 5 is irrational. So let, so here is let root 5 is irrational. Let root 5 is rational, sorry, let root 5 is rational number, is rational number. Root 5 is irrational number, that is root 5 is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-prime, where p and q are co-prime, where p and q are co-prime. Okay, so now root 5 q is equal to p, squaring both sides, squaring both side, squaring both side, 5 q square is equal to p square, q square, this is equation 1. Okay, here 5 divides 5 divides 5 comes to this side, 5 divides p square, then 5 divides p also, 5 divides p also. We have done the theorem. If p is a prime and prime divides a p square, then it divides p also. Okay, कोई प्राइम नंबर किसी भी नंबर के स्क्वायर को अगर डिवाइड करता है then it is also divides the number also. It means if 5 divides a p square and 5 divides p also, it means p is a multiple of 5. Okay, if any number divides another number, it means 2 divides 12, 2 divides 12, it means 12 is a multiple of 2, 6 to the 12. If here is a 36, or let it is a 49 divides 7, so let is 343. So why it is not running? So 343 divided by 7, 7, it means 343 is a multiple of 7, 7 into 7 into 7. It means if a number divides any number, if it divides a number, it means let the 2 divides 10, so 10 is a multiple of 2 because 2 into 5. Okay, so now here, okay, also it means now let p, 5 divides p, it means p can be multiple of 5. It means let p is equal to 5r, let p is equal to 5r. Now putting here, now so 5q square is equal to 25r square. Okay, so 5 say 25 is cut it down, so we get q square is equal to 5r square. 5r square. So q square divides q square is equal to 5r square. Here this implies that q square upon 5 is equal to r square. Okay, here 5 divides 5 divides q square, then 5 divides q also, then 5 divides q also. 5 divides q also. Okay, so this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, to p and q both divides by 5, divides uh, both divides by 5. So p and q are not co-prime. P and q are not co-prime, not co-prime, not co-prime. Hence it gives it gives contradiction. It gives contradiction. Gives contradiction. P contradiction. Root 5 is rational. Root 5 is rational. It contradiction. Root 5 is rational. Okay, so root 5 is irrational. अगर रेशनल नहीं है तो वो irrational है. Okay, any problem you have? Okay, so prove that. This one is a prove that. Okay, I hope so you have followed these steps, and you will pause this video and see the steps. Okay, any confusion you will say in a comment box. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is so that 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Now here we have said that root 5 is irrational. Now here we prove that, so that let 3 plus root 5 is rational. Okay, it means rational. So 3 plus root 5 can be written as p by q form. So it means root 5 is equal to p upon q minus 3. P upon q minus 3. Now, so root 5 is equal to p minus 3 q. Okay, so here in RHS, here RHS is here RHS, that is p minus 3q upon q is rational. It is rational, but LHS, that is root 5 is irrational. The question number 1 we have proved that root 5 is irrational, but LHS, that is root 5 is irrational. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence 3 plus root 5 is root 5 is not rational. Is not rational. This is This is so so 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Irrational. Okay. So this is your question number 1 and 2. Now this root 5 is irrational and 3 plus root 5 is irrational. These types of questions comes in the 3 marks. Okay. So you will go through these steps, and if any query you will comment in a comment box. Okay, thank you. We will do the question number 3 and 3 in the next video. Okay, thank you.